Hello, this is my attempt at a 14-bit analog to digital converter using a single slope ADC. Here I have power supply, multimeter as reference against power supply, and my STC89C52 microcontroller with homebrew 14-bit ADC. It starts reaction about 1.3 volts. That's the internals of the comparator. So I'm about a volt out at 3 volts. That's at 4 volts. Count. Call it 5,800. 5 volts. 6 volts. Count 10,000. My ADC is reading 5.5 volts. 7 volts. 8 volts. And 9 volts. And this is my ramp generated. Now I've used a constant current source using LM1117. So a nice linear charge on my ramp circuit. So 6 volts. 8 and 9. I think that's not too bad for a variable analog to digital converter. Looks a bit noisy, but can't grumble. I think it's pretty good. Anyway, cheers and goodbye.